This is the exact same Gemini conversation. I exported it twice, once as a PDF report and once as an Obsidian note. Today I'll show you the difference and help you decide which one is better for your workflow. Let's start with the original Gemini conversation. This report includes market research, structured headings, tables, code blocks, and AI-generated images. It's the kind of conversation you probably don't want to lose. First, I'll export it as a PDF. Just click the extension, choose Export to PDF, and it's done. Now let's open the result. The PDF looks clean and professional, images are preserved, tables are well formatted, code blocks remain readable. If your goal is to share a report, send it to a client, print it, or archive important conversations, PDF is an excellent choice. Now let's export the same conversation to Obsidian. Again, just one click. Now the conversation becomes a Markdown note inside my Obsidian vault. Here I can search it, edit it, add tags, link it with other notes, and continue building my knowledge base. Unlike a PDF, this note is no longer a finished document. It's something I can continue working on. So which one should you choose? If you need a clean document for sharing, presentations, reports, or offline reading, choose PDF. If you want to build a long-term knowledge base, connect ideas together, and continuously improve your notes, choose Obsidian. For me, I actually use both. I export important conversations to PDF when I need a polished document, and I export them to Obsidian when I want to keep learning from them and build my personal knowledge system. PDF is for sharing, Obsidian is for thinking. In the next video, I'll compare Notion, PDF, and Obsidian, and show you which workflow is best for different types of AI users.